In this episode, a nutritionist explains color-coding meals to boost nutrients and simplify weekly planning for busy families everywhere. A health enthusiast shares a transformation after swapping sugary snacks for balanced, protein-rich options. They offer meal planning tricks like batch cooking, practical grocery lists, and versatile mains from breakfast to dinner. The discussion highlights foods by benefit from leafy greens to lean proteins with tips for busy days. Across stories, viewers gain energy, better moods, and confidence as healthier choices become everyday habits. The episode closes with a simple 7-day starter plan viewers can try.